Okay, in our last video, we created a pie chart. So if you didn't watch that video, then you might want to go watch the creating a pie chart in Excel, because I had to come up with these counts, these frequencies, and then the percentage to come up with my pie chart. Now, what if I wanted a bar chart? So a bar chart is good for qualitative data. Again, these are categories. But then the heights of the bar are just the counts, the frequencies. And so this is pretty easy to do in Excel. As I did before, I got the counts of each one. I would just simply highlight each category and then the frequency. Go to Insert, and you'll see here, I can just simply click this very first one, and I get my chart. So these are very quick and easy in Excel once you get everything set up. Again, you should put a title. I just double clicked on that. And then you ought to name, so in other words, these just being counts, or, typically students kind of like this one because it shows the actual counts. You can see that they match here. And I just go to design and I pick one that I like. So watch the pie chart one to figure out how I got these values, and then it's just click, 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 and you have your bar chart.